in this video, I will show you the best online course platforms. And by the way, I have arranged this list to cover the most common use cases. So don't treat it just like a list where I have very similar platforms one after the other, but these all are good for specific use cases. So for instance, you might find the third option on this list best for your use, or the second option. So this doesn't mean that the number one solution is the only one you should actually use. So it is all dependent on your use case. And by the way, you can find links to the free trials of each platform in the description of the video as well. So the first platform on this list, we have Thinkific. And this is the platform where I am hosting my 2 courses right now. And the thing about Thinkific is that it is first and foremost very easy to use. It's also intuitive, so you don't really even need to watch a tutorial on how to set up your Thinkific courses, although I have actually created one, which you can find in the description as well. But nonetheless, Thinkific is good because it allows you to create your own brand and basically have your courses look exactly the way you want them to. There is no application process, no acceptance. You just jump on the platform, create a course, and put it out. But the problem with Thinkific is that you have to take care of the marketing there. So basically that means that you need to build an audience. So there are no people on Thinkific that will randomly choose your course. And that is one of the biggest hurdles, at least when you ask me about this course creation thing. You can get a course done in like a week or 2, but that is the easy part. The hardest part is in the marketing. So you have to build an audience, and it usually takes years and years and years of hard work before you start seeing people buy your courses. So if you're just interested in creating courses and selling courses, but you don't want to run advertisements, have a YouTube channel where you promote your courses, or basically do anything to market your courses. So if you just want to be a teacher who teaches online and who has students and makes some passive income through course sales, then actually you don't want to choose a platform like Thinkific. Instead, you can go with a platform like Udemy. So Udemy is an online course platform, and it's also kind of an online course marketplace, to be more precise. And the idea is that you, similarly to Thinkific, you create a course on Udemy, but you have this application process. So you first create your course, then you submit it for a review. So the platform makes sure that the course is actually something that people might find interesting and where you could get students. And once they accept your course, they will take care of the marketing. And I think that Udemy has like 60 million students, and they have all these marketing channels like social media advertisements. They have all these different strategies with which they can attract students to your course. So all you need to do is have a course online there, and they will take care of the rest. And that is awesome because then you don't have to build an audience. But the problem with Udemy is that because it is another platform or a marketplace where you're pushing your courses, you don't have control over it. So first and foremost, all these courses will look similar. So there is no branding. You're not going to build your own brand. People will remember Udemy, not you. And that is something that does not happen if you use a platform like Thinkific, because on Thinkific, you own the course. The people don't have any idea that they are even on a platform called Thinkific if they are taking your course. So that's basically the difference. Then also on Udemy, the problem is that usually they sell courses at a high discount, and also they take a cut. So just an example, if you have a $100 course, they usually sell that for $10 because they have these huge flash sales, and they are basically running that all the time. And then they're also taking like 50% off, like a cut from that. So out of a $100 course, you're only going to get like $5. So that limits your earning potential quite heavily. But yeah, then again, if you create a superb course, if you have a lot of experience, if your courses are super compelling and get good reviews, then you might get a heck a lot of students to your courses. So it is not as simple as me just saying that, okay, you can't get rich on a platform like Udemy. But yeah, based on what I have seen and based on what I have heard, the most money moves in those courses where you actually build an audience by yourself and then sell it on a platform like Thinkific, because then you get to keep all the earnings, and then you also have a strong and loyal audience and a brand reputation. So in a business sense, I would say that it's much better to use a platform like Thinkific and to build your own audience and to sell your courses at a high price point. Then as the last option on this list, we have LearnWorlds. In a very similar fashion to Thinkific, LearnWorlds is a course platform that allows you to host a course and create courses, create landing pages, customizations, whatever, but they also don't take care of the marketing. So it is a similar platform to Thinkific, but it is actually much more advanced and customizable. So if you're looking to start a online course business, and if you actually have a team of people that are working with you, for instance, if you have marketers, website creators, whatever, then you might want to choose a platform like LearnWorlds because it allows for more customization than Thinkific. So if you're looking to start like an online education center or a school, and if you want to drag your team along to the platform where everything takes place in one place, then LearnWorlds might be for you. So this is a bit more advanced course platform, I would say. It's a bit more, like I would say, it's a bit more of a platform for bigger businesses and teams of people running the courses. So for most of you watching this video, I would highly suggest you signing up to Thinkific. It is easy to use, it allows you to brand the course as you want, and it allows you to keep all the earnings. The only downside is that you need to build an audience. But if you don't want to build an audience, if you don't want to do marketing, then just use a platform or a marketplace such as Udemy. And then if you have a team, if you have an advanced use case, and if you want everything to happen in one place, then sign up for a platform like LearnWorlds because it allows for most customization.